So this is a 2018 Toyota Rav4 that I have as a rental, while my current Rav4, which is a 2010, is getting recall work done. So just want to give a quick look at this. Now obviously this isn't the new one, but this is new to me. I do like this color. Now unfortunately, because this is a rental, people treat it like a rental. You can see it's already got a little ding here in the tailgate and scratches and stuff like that, but it's a really nice blue. I'll show these headlights here. So these have, I think they're just halogen headlights, but they look pretty nice. It does have the fog lights. It also comes with a safety feature. So this is the radar sensor behind the Toyota emblem. You have your cameras and the behind the windshield there, right by the mirror. And it looks pretty nice. I'd say it's not aggressive. Still kind of conservative, I guess, by 2018 standards. But it does have the keyless entry here. And it does have the button to hold for the tailgate, so I'll show you that real quick. That's pretty nice. So I think you have to have it unlocked, and then you just hold this, and it just pops open, which is pretty nice. I mean, and if you're feeling lazy, you know, you also have this button here to have it close, and you can adjust the height. Which I'm not going to mess with that because it's a rental, so it's not even mine. But you can adjust the height of where it stops. So if you have a garage that, you know, is a little low, then you can adjust that to your will. So that's nice. And in here you got quite a bit of space. I have a 2010, so I'm not used to the hatch opening up like this. I'm used to it opening to the side. But this is still pretty spacious. This one comes with a rubber mat in it instead. And it looks like the headrests have a little button on there, so it'll go flat. So let's see. All right. Oh, and your light is here. So your little light here. Do we have a switch back here to push these down? I don't think so. So no, there's no switch back here to actually make them go down. So we'll have to do that here. All right. So we got a handle here. So let's see. All right, is this the, yeah, it looks like this is it. But the seat belt is buckled in here. Someone was using the child seat. Okay, just might mess with that. Let's see. Okay. And we got this, does this, oh, okay. I feel like that should be in the other way. Like it should go down. But hey, not my car. Don't know. Ugh. Quite heavy. I wonder if this has the reclining feature like the other one does. Let's check that out. Let's see. All right, so I'm sitting here. Oh, it does. It reclines, just like mine does. So there you go. You get a good, nice little recline there. All right, so let's close this bad boy up. That's pretty fancy. All right, it latches up. All right, I'll show you the inside here. Now this one actually has the blind spot monitoring as well, so you can see the little blind spot monitor here. It does have the integrated turn signals in the mirror. And then to open the door, I didn't think that locked it. Yeah, so, okay, so this doesn't, oh, okay. So it does have the touchpad on the back of the handle. So this one has a little bit of a, kind of like a pleather on the doors, chrome door handles. And inside you have pretty nice interior, I think. Seats are cloth. Now, This is a rental and I'm really surprised at how dirty it is, considering, you know, You would think that it would be clean, but whatever. So as you sit in, it's somewhat high up. You've got your steering wheel controls here, so you've got your up and down for your phone, up and down volume, mode for the radio. This is for the voice assistant. I'm guessing there's one integrated, as well as you could use your Siri and stuff like that. You have this is to go through the center. I don't have an answer for that. Center screen there. Oh, of course, my watch just thought I said its name. To go through your trips, and then you have your typical Toyota cruise control here, which is good. I like that it's, I like things that are consistent, so that's nice. Now, when I was first driving this, I noticed that it was in eco mode, and I could not figure out how to get it out. And you think it'd be a button here, or maybe a button by the gear selector, but it's not. It's right here, kind of tucked away. So I figured that out, and it actually made it a lot better. You've got some blank pieces where buttons would be, and I'm kind of curious what it is, what it would be, because this seems to have every feature. So you've got your lane keep assist button here, and this is for the gauge cluster to change the lights, or to dim it and make it higher. Then you have your mirror to adjust them. You also have this kind of interesting pleather across the entire dashboard with some stitching, which I think adds a little touch. It's kind of nice. I'm okay with it. You have your start stop button here. It does have the dual zone automatic climate control, which is nice. I do miss that from my car. And then it goes, like I said, it goes right across here. You do have a little cubby here for stuff, which seems pretty okay, but I like mine better because it can be covered. Because I don't know if I could have something just sitting there, that would drive me nuts. You have this kind of interesting vent. I'm not sure if this is part of the air conditioning system, but that just, I guess, closes and opens. It's kind of weird. You've got your place for your typical Toyota clock here. You've got your flashers, the security here, and your passenger airbags, and it's 3 of them. I'm not sure which ones they're going for. I know you have the front and you have the passenger, but I'm wondering if it's just maybe it's for all 4 seats, that's interesting. So I'll go ahead and shut this and see how it sounds. It makes a good thunk. I mean, it's a decent quality. Unfortunately, actually this is soft, so this is soft touch here. I wasn't expecting that. I'll have to see if it's in the back too. That is hard. That's hard. I don't like this kind of stuff. This doesn't look that nice. They could have done something a little bit better with this. I mean, I feel like and obviously it's gotten scratched pretty bad, if you can see this. So I feel like this would not be a good thing to have for a door handle. You should have rubber or something nice like that. This is, no, all hard touch. All hard touch. So a little bit of soft touch, not very much. All right, so we'll go ahead and start it. So I got the key on me here, and you just put your foot on the brake and press the button. Got a nice little intro screen there. Okay, and I do have the automatic climate, the automatic climate control on here. So I just set it to 74 and it's going automatically, which is really nice. You got your little radio, so you got your different sources here, FM, AM, Bluetooth audio, XM, and I assume that if you have something plugged in, those would then be able to be selected. So you can reorder these also, which is nice. Of course you got your volume knob, Honda, your tuning knob, seek, track, play and pause, it does have HD radio and Grace Notes, so it'll tell you what you're listening to. It does have a CD slot, which you don't see very much. Now, this is an outgoing model, so I'm assuming this is pretty outdated. Apps, okay. Audio. And I know that this doesn't have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, so I think that the 2019 does have that in there. Now, as far as the center controls here, so you got a nice blue here, and you can go through so each one, so I'm on the I right now, so you can see your average miles per gallon, I guess the time that the car has been running. This only has 15,000 miles on it. 305 miles left on the tank, average of 19.9. Your eco indicator, which I guess would show you how economically you're driving once I actually am driving. Time until rest. I'm not sure what that is, but I think it's something to do with your, it can tell when you're sleepy, or maybe you set it. I'm not really sure. And that's it. And then you can go to the next one here. So you can go here. Okay, actually, okay, there we go. And so you go to the next one, you have your audio, and it would show you more based on that. Then you have your lane keep assist system and radar cruise control, and those are off right now. Let me see if it'll turn on. Okay, so it's active. So it just turns off every time you turn off the car. So I guess it's, in lane keep assist, honestly, I like using it on the highway more than, you know, just driving around town. It's just because the steering assist can be kind of annoying, because you will notice a difference with the steering assist. When it's on, it kind of, you can tell it's on. This does have automatic headlights, which is nice. And you have DRL, so I would keep it on auto. It does have the fog lights, so you can turn those on also. I think I explained all that. Yeah, so it's pretty nice. So like I said, you know, you got the faux leather here, weird painted chrome junk, and then more plastic, and it is hard plastic on the bottom. You do have a cup holder, actually about 2 cup holders in there. I'm not sure how I feel about the little dash holes in that. I mean, if you have stuff in there, I just don't know why they would do that, because I mean, if you have stuff in there, I don't want to see the stuff from the side. You do have, you know, your typical Toyota shift gate here, with the little sport mode, manual mode, another cup holder here, another little place to put things down here. You do have your 12-volt adapter right here. You have your USB and aux right there for your radio, and your weird eco button placed where it shouldn't be. You have a nice little rubberized, yeah, it's a nice little rubberized thing here. It is a 2-tray. Okay, that's gross, whatever that is. All right, how do you do this? Okay, does it not? I'm not sure how to use this, apparently. Anyway, that's a pretty deep thing there. Does it have another? Now, in some cars, you'll have 2 lighter things here. I only see 1. That's kind of disappointing. All right, that's it turned off. Okay, and on the door, I forgot to see this. This is automatic up and probably automatic down as well. Oh, look at this. Oh, you can tell that's just cheap plastic. Oh, that scratches so easily. Oh, it's so sad. Cars cost too damn much for that. Oh, okay, here's the push button. Ah, okay. So instead of putting it in the glove box or the little center console, you got another one back here. So that's kind of nice. I do wish they put more USB ports around. I mean, you know, you got kids with these devices, so it'd be kind of nice to have that. Oh, this one does have a sunroof in it. You got your little light back here, and then visibility is good. It seems like these windows are kind of small, but it does look pretty nice. Kind of goes down here a little bit. It does have the little roof racks, so these are pretty nice looking. Yeah. So just wanted to show the nighttime lights, how everything looks at night. So we've got our lit up instrument cluster, and you can see our lights are on, and as well as the fog lights. Here's how it looks when you're in the car. So everything has a nice blue glow to it here. So you have your climate controls in blue, and your radio is in blue, as well as the CD insert. Here is your airbag lights and everything here, lit up there, and then these are also lit up. This is how the shift gate looks. So you've got the P and the D, as well as the manual, plus and minus in blue, reverse is in orange, and neutral is in green. As far as anything else, it looks like there's not much lighting. So your auto on your windows is lit. And I don't think there's going to be a light in this. No, there's no light in the center console, no light in the cup holders or anything like that. You do have your small lights here. All right, and I'll go ahead and turn on the hazards, and we'll go ahead and take a look at the outside lights. So this is how it looks from the inside. All right, and that beep is just saying that I have a key on me and it's still on. So this is how the turn signal looks on the mirror. And here's how our lights look. So those are halogens. And we have our fog lights below here. This car is kind of dirty, so that's why it doesn't look super great, but you can kind of see the halogen bulb here going through. Fog light. Here is the reverse light with the back light there. So you have this nice stripe here, and then a traditional incandescent bulb here, and incandescent bulb there. And you've got two incandescent bulbs on the tag right there. So that's how that looks. And I believe that your reverse lights are right here and right here. So that's very nice. You also have a third brake light that is LED. Alright, so that's the lights.